Meanwhile, Ricky Skerritt and Dr. Kishore Shallow are expected to be returned unopposed as President and Vice President of CWI at the April 11 annual general meeting, following the withdrawal of Anand Sanasie and Calvin Hope. Renata Brown has that story.
In a joint release sent to TVJ Sports on Thursday, Sanasie and Hope noted, quote, "Given the unfortunate circumstances leading up to and recent events in Guyana regarding the Guyana Cricket Board, one of the 6 full members of CWI, together with the refusal by the leadership of CWI to uphold the highest standards, long-standing traditions and rules for governing the administration of West Indies cricket, we, having distanced ourselves from such action of CWI, have decided to withdraw our respective candidacies for President and Vice President in the CWI election," end quote. The men say they remain firmly committed to and passionate about cricket and are focusing on what is in the best interest of the administration of cricket in the region. The beleaguered duo also expressed gratitude to the Guyana Cricket Board and the Barbados Cricket Association for nominating and supporting their intentions to run for the respective positions within CWI. Meanwhile, in a separate statement released by Sanasie, the former Guyanese secretary once again criticized the Ricky Skerritt-led administration over their handling of Sunday's postponed AGM. The AGM was postponed as there was no quorum due to the absence of representatives from the Guyana Cricket Board and the Barbados Cricket Association, who objected to the time the CWI finances were made available to directors. Sanasie stated that, quote, "This attempt, until it was thwarted at the last minute, remains cause for serious concern by those who have an interest in good governance of CWI," end quote. Sanasie also took a jab at the Guyana sports minister over the recent GCB elections, describing the actions as unjust, irregular, imprudent and hasty, and accused the Guyanese sports minister Charles Ramson Jr. of being partisan and compromised. Sanasie says he has also been advised by his legal team that these elections cannot withstand judicial scrutiny, which may arise and which have every possibility of prevailing. Sanasie also claimed in his statement that Ramson held 3 meetings with the CWI president and a select group of directors, from which the GCB nominated directors were excluded. He also said that the minister's unpatriotic action supported and enabled his opponent to undermine his candidacy. The statement ended by saying, quote, "I remain in service to cricket, as has been a lifelong dedication, and I will continue to fight against any political control of the GCB," end quote.